Hello, you awesome math scholars, and welcome back to Math is My Jam, where math is my jam, and I'm going to make sure that it becomes your jam as well. We're going to jam right into it. Today, we're going to be adding on a number line. And so make sure you've already watched our video on just understanding the basics of a number line so that this will just be a breeze for you. Okay? Now, our problem for today, our first problem for today, is -2 plus 4. As you can see, I've already placed a red dot at -2. When I'm adding, it already tells me where my starting spot is. My starting place is -2. Now, if I'm adding on a number line, I'm simply going to move to the right as many spaces as I'm adding. As you can see, I moved to the right from -2 4 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I know -2 plus 4 is 2. And this time, we're going to do -3 plus 3. It's important to understand that -3 and 3 are each other's opposites. Go ahead and pause the video and try to do this one on your own, and then we'll do it together. Okay, now my starting point is -3, so I'm going to go ahead and place a dot at -3. Now that I have a dot at -3, the plus 3 tells me I'm going to move to the right, and I'm going to move to the right 3 spaces. All right, I hope you got it, because I moved to the right 3 spaces, I ended up at 0. That's an important part of adding and subtracting positive and negative integers. When you add two numbers that are opposite, your answer is always going to be 0. For example, you have -5 plus 5, 0 is your answer. -7 plus 7, 0 will always be your answer. So any number and its opposite, the sum of those two numbers will always equal 0. Let's do one more problem. Okay, so for this problem, we have -8 plus 12. And so for this one, as you can see, once again, I've placed a red dot at -8. That is my starting point. That's where I'm going to move from. Now, we're adding 12, so that's a positive number. And that means, again, we're going to move to the right. Okay, so we're going to move to the right 12 spaces. Pay close attention to my interval, because now my interval is 2. I'm counting by 2. And as you can see, I moved to the right 12 spaces, okay? But remember, we're skip counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 spaces. And so I know definitively -8 plus 12 is positive 4. Okay, scholars, so make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you like the video, and don't forget, hit the little bell next to subscribe so that you can get an update every time we upload a new video. And again, my goal is to make sure math becomes your jam, because math is my jam.